That's our surprising. We all astonished here. And turning to the anti-government, and now they are imposing act. So many acts. Why? Because it's our duty to defend for our state and for an ideal Manipur to our all communities. We pray to all of them for this. We all like safe and the security of our state. And we all might pray, humbly request to all the communities, stay very strong in our deep heart. We really like to restore our peace, and especially this in the relief. We want them to return back to their homeland. And these central forces, why are they here? They are joining